Hi, my name is Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. In this video, I'll be discussing rule of law and Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the guiding principle of the nation from which all other laws acquire their legitimacy, making all other laws subordinate to it and following the postulates of the rule of law outlined by the Constitution. Furthermore, Article 13, Clause 1 specifies that every law passed by the legislature must be in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution or it will be considered unconstitutional. As a result, any new law must be consistent with the requirements. Even the preamble of the Constitution of India includes the words justice, sovereignty and equality, which are unambiguous indicators of a just and fair government with no discrepancy amongst the masses regardless of their social status. Dicey's enumeration of equality before the law is included under Article 14 of the Indian Constitution, which establishes the idea of equality before the law and equal protection under the law. The right to life and personal liberty, which is a fundamental human right, is also enshrined in the Constitution for all citizens. The word rule of law has no set formulation in the Indian Constitution. However, courts in India use it in a plethora of judgments. In India, the proverb, "the king can do no wrong," does not apply, as all public institutions are subject to the jurisdiction of common law courts and the same sets of laws. The Indian Constitution is the supreme law of the land, superseding the three organs of the government, that is the judiciary, the legislature and the executive. These three governmental organs must act in accordance with the principles enshrined in the Constitution of India. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.